Hi everyone, this is Jayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of ENCE, SPCE, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the importance of microcontrollers for electronics and communication engineering students and why we need to study this subject. Nowadays, with this growing technology, microcontrollers plays a very important role and it can be used in everywhere. Microcontrollers are used in multiple industries and applications, including in the home and enterprise, building automation, manufacturing, robotics, automotive, lighting, smart energy, industrial automation, communication, and also Internet of Things. We have different types of microcontrollers: 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller, 32-bit microcontroller, 8051 microcontroller, ARM microcontroller, as well as PIC microcontroller. So in this video, I'm going to explain 8051 microcontroller. If you study this 8051 microcontroller programming, you can design projects in your own with the use of GPS, GSM, Android, robotics, and also voice controlled projects using 8051. Here, this 8051 microcontroller, it is composed of two words, micro and also controller. Micro means it is very small in size and controller means a device which controls all the operations of a other device. In generally, we can say a microcontroller is an integrated circuit that can be programmed to perform a set of functions to control a collection of electronic devices. A microcontroller contains central processing unit, memory, input as well as output peripherals, which all are on a single integrated circuit. In 1981, Intel introduced an 8-bit microcontroller we can call it as 8051. It was also referred as a system on chip because it had 120 bytes, 8 bytes of RAM, 4K byte of on-chip ROM, 2 timers, 1 serial port, and also 4 ports which is of 8-bit wide, all on a single chip. So in this figure, you can see a 8051 microcontroller. So let us move on. What are the differences between microcontroller and microprocessor? The microcontroller contains circuitry of a microprocessor. With addition, it also has built-in ROM, RAM, I/O devices, timers, and counters. So coming to this microprocessor contains ALU, arithmetic logic unit, general purpose registers, stack pointer, program counter, clock timing circuit, and also interrupt circuit. In microcontroller, we have very few instructions, or we can say we have very less number of instructions in order to move data between memory and CPU. But in microprocessor, we have many instructions to move data between memory and CPU. In microcontroller, we have many bit handling instructions, but in microprocessor, we have very few bit handling instructions. And in microcontroller, we have more number of pins are multifunctional, but in microprocessor, only less number of pins are multifunctional. In microcontroller, we have separate memory map for data and code, but in microprocessor, we have only single memory map for data and code. So by this, I can conclude this video. Thank you.